So today I'm going to be talking about what computer science is. So computer science is the study of computers, and pretty much you learn how to program every aspect of a computer. You just learn how to put a computer together, and just through and through what a computer is. You learn about the ALU, programming, programming languages like C and C++, Java, MIPS, Swift, Maxim SP. You learn how to apply it into the real world, whether it be with robots, artificial intelligence, and just various different things that you can apply to it. It's a really fun subject. It is very math intensive because you do have to think outside the box with mathematics to apply to your programs. Things like calculators, that's programs, your phones, all of that. It's just programming both hardware and software and learning how to do that. So for computer science, the curriculum is very math intensive and obviously programming intensive. You take one C and C++ class, one MIPS class, one Java class, two Java classes. You take whatever electives you'd like. Could be for embedded systems, microprocessors, networks, just anything that you may be interested in. That's just obviously within the field. You have a lot of leeway just because computer science is very broad, so you can go into your technical electives into the computer engineering program, the software engineering program. Obviously, it's very math intensive. You have 3 calculus classes, 1 probability and statistics class, 1 linear algebra class, 1 induction class. It's just very, very broad, but math intensive, programming intensive, and you just stick with it and you'll be just fine. So once you have completed the curriculum and you're ready to graduate, obviously your first step is to graduate, and then from there you're ready to go out into the field. You have to take your engineering test so that you become an official engineer, because yes, computer science makes you an engineer, whether it's still a BS, it's still a BSc, it's still considered an engineering job. So from there you're finally out in the field, so you just have to look for jobs that might interest you. So that can be in artificial intelligence, that can be with big companies like State Farm, Allstate, and those companies, although insurance companies do hire computer scientists to program their systems and to do all that. And where you can go into robotics and program robots, you can go into the more mainstream, which is programming computers, like for Apple, Google, Windows, Dell. All those just offer great opportunities. You can work for the government. The government will hire you just because you're an engineer. They will just hire you. Or you can just start your masters in anything that may be related to your field, or not. You can always masters in whatever it is that you want, related obviously to the field, which could be robotics or any kind of engineering. It just really depends on you and where you want to go with your career. So just choose. I mean, you're finally done with the hard part, so you can just start making big bank, or keep going and make more bank, keep going to school and make more bank, or just stop there and start working and start following your dreams as a computer scientist.